Now the current intensity is severe cyclonic storm. Wind speed is about 100 to 110 km per hour. Now it is about 15 km north of Dhamra and 30 km northwest of Habelighatti camp. That is in Bhitarkanika. And now the current intensity is severe cyclonic storm and wind speed is about 100 to 110 km per hour, gusting to 120 km per hour. Landfall process continues, and the rear sector of the cyclone is entering into the land, and the landfall process would continue for next 1 to 2 hours. It is likely to move nearly west-northwestward across North Odisha and weaken gradually into a cyclonic storm by forenoon of 25th October.